I think we're okay. I just got word that nung even 2 years bago pa lang ako rito, I went around, tinanong ko yung mga sweldo, and I found out na medyo matagal na, medyo nagtitiis ang ating mga empleyado, lalo na ang field workers. Alam ko, when you say magtitiis, baka mag-react kayo dahil nababalitaan niyo yung mga bossing, yung mga sweldo. Pero yung mga field workers, na parang mababa. And during that time, if I remember right, this was a couple of years ago, bago pa lang ako, parang nag-mass promotion tayo, no? Yung mga, kunyari mo, yung mga lineman, matagal na, 20 years na, naka-compa lang sila, rank 5, no? For 20 years. Dapat ang pinakamataas ng lineman during that time, rank 7. So, there and then, ni rank 7 ko yung mga yon. They were moved. So that is being done. And then, after that, pina-review ko yung ating plantilla, tapos nag-apply tayo ngayon sa NEA na dapat ganito ang plantilla namin, dapat ganito ang mga sweldo. Okay? No, apparently now, I just found out na hindi lang pala tayo ang nire-review ng NEA. So they reviewed everybody, and I think they're basically done. They're basically done, at ang nakakalungkot na balita, this was last night. I just got a call from NEA last night. After they reviewed everything, parang talagang hindi maganda yung, parang agabyado yung mga empleyado ng INEC. So anyway, that is going to be corrected. That is going to be corrected na. In fact, hopefully by yung sa anniversary, in the anniversary pala, you're all invited, July 7. The administrator is the guest of honor, si Administrator Nani Almeda. And also, of course, PS is there, Deputy Mayo. And si Deputy Mayo, I think, will make that, well, nakakatuwa na nakakalungkot when I found out, no? So, tama pala yung ginagawa nating pag-apila sa kanila na i-increase yung mga no? Because when they found out, nung tinignan nila compared to the other ECs na talagang medyo naargabyado ang mga rank and file. You said the right word, okay? Kasi baka mag-react kayo dun sa mga bossing, di ba? Yung rank and file. I think the rank and file medyo na argabyado sila all these years in terms of the pay and the work that they're doing. Medyo hindi commensurate.
So, ang plano nyo, sir, kung hindi ko nagsulit
well, ikaw ko rin. Ang mangyayari, I think ang mangyayari, there will be, kasi magbabago yung plantilla, and then the amount mababago rin.